What's up, future millionaires? Before we start, let's take a look at what I've created using free AI tools.
I am not your backup plan. You flip me once more, and I swear I snap. You open me every 5 minutes and still say there is nothing. I give you golden toast, and you still complain it's burnt.
Pretty amazing, right? In this video, I'll show you how you can create these kinds of videos using free AI tools. Now, before we move forward, I want to tell you something very important, especially if you're watching this video in a hurry. If you don't want any explanation and you just want to watch the exact process step by step, skip ahead to the part where I start generating the prompts for images and videos and turn them into a complete video for everyone else. I'll keep this tight and practical because this format is pulling insane numbers on YouTube right now, and it's entirely AI generated. There's a new style of content blowing up on YouTube Shorts where everyday objects are turned into characters that talk. Toilets, sinks, mirrors, toothbrushes, trash cans, things you see every day, but given faces, personalities, and dialogue. These videos are hitting millions of views, even on brand new channels. And the best part is, there's no face, no mic, no camera, and no advanced editing. Everything is done with AI. This works so well because it instantly breaks expectations. People aren't used to seeing objects talk, especially objects they interact with daily, so it immediately stops the scroll. On top of that, the dialogue is short, punchy, and relatable, which fits perfectly with YouTube Shorts' fast consumption style. You don't need storytelling, backstory, or long explanations. One object, one message, and you move on. YouTube also favors content that can be produced consistently, and since this entire format is AI-driven, you can upload daily without burnout. Another reason this format works is that it's language agnostic. Even with a minimal dialogue, people understand what's happening. That increases watch time, replays, and shares, which pushes the video harder in the Shorts feed. Your unique angle comes from the locations and the personality you give the objects. Bathrooms, kitchens, offices, gyms, and bedrooms all work extremely well because they contain items people emotionally recognize. You're not trying to be funny like a comedian. You're letting the object say something blunt, sarcastic, or informative. That contrast between an inanimate object and human-like advice is what makes the content addictive. You don't need to reinvent the idea. You just need consistency and clean execution. Once you pick a location, you can milk it for dozens of videos without repeating yourself. The first tool you need is a chatbot. I'm using ChatGPT, but you can use whatever you prefer. The key here is turning ChatGPT into a prompt engine. You do this by pasting in a master prompt that tells it exactly what kind of content you're creating. This includes generating locations, objects, image prompts, animation prompts, and dialogue, all in the correct order. So nothing breaks later in the process. You can get this prompt by commenting in the video the word prompt, and I'll send the prompt to you. Copy the whole master prompt from that Google Doc. Once the master prompt is pasted, you simply type start. ChatGPT will then give you a list of locations to choose from. Pick one. I usually go with something simple like a kitchen because it has clear, familiar objects that translate well into characters. After choosing a location, ChatGPT generates a list of objects from that place along with detailed image prompts. For example, it gave me a frying pan, a refrigerator, a toaster, a microwave, a coffee mug, and a few more. Each prompt turns these objects into anthropomorphic characters with expressive faces and personality. It also generates animation prompts that you'll use later to make these objects talk. And the order matters, don't skip around. The first object you see is the first image you generate and the first video you animate. Now we move into image generation. Open Leonardo AI and go to the image generation section. Select your aspect ratio. I'm going to select 16:9 because I don't know why. Just kidding, guys. You can select whichever ratio you want, but because I'm just showing you the process, I won't care about the aspect ratio. Paste the first image prompt from ChatGPT into Leonardo and generate the image. Here, our first image prompt is about a frying pan. So I'll copy the prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. In your case, make sure you're using a portrait aspect ratio so it fits YouTube Shorts properly. Click on the Generate button, wait a few seconds, your image will be ready. Here you can see we've got an amazing frying pan image with its face. Once the image looks good, download it. Then repeat the same process for every prompt. Copy the second prompt, which is for me the refrigerator, paste it into Leonardo, and generate the second image, download, and keep going until all images are done. You should end up with around 10 images, but I have created only 7 because I'm here to just show you the process. Next, we have to bring those images to motion. Give them talking animations with expressions on their face. For this, open Google Labs Flow and switch from the text-to-video model to the frame-to-video model. This allows you to animate images. Upload the first image you generated. I have uploaded the frying pan image that I generated from Leonardo. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt that matches that image. Paste it directly into Flow. Inside that prompt, there will be dialogue for the object. As you can see, for me, it gave something like this. I am not your backup plan. You flip me once more and I swear I snap. You can keep it or tweak it slightly, but short dialogue works best. From here, select the model. I've selected the Veo 3 Fast because it works the best for me. And then select the aspect ratio and then the number of outputs, which I'll keep only 1. Click on Generate button. Wait a few minutes, your video will be ready.
I am not your backup plan. You flip me once more, and I swear I snap.
Look at the result, it's amazing for you. If something looks slightly off, regenerate it once or twice. Download the final version and repeat this process for every image. Upload the second image, paste the animation prompt, and generate. Look at the final videos that we have generated.
I give you golden toast, and you still complain it's burnt. You press random buttons, then blame me for the beep. I am empty because you are late again. I remember every cut. Don't test me. I am not expired aggrade. You just have no taste.
They look awesome, right? Exactly as we wanted. Once everything is generated, download them one by one. Now, you also have the music generation prompt inside the dock. If you want to generate your own music, then copy the prompt and paste it into any AI tools that can do the work for you. But my suggestion would be not to use any music because it still looks perfect without background music once you have everything. Open CapCut and import all your assets at once. Drag your clips to the timeline one by one, adjust them if needed. Here, I'll scale the clips to fit into the frame like this once everything looks perfect. Use CapCut's auto caption feature to generate captions for the entire video. Apply a clean caption template and adjust the font size so it's easy to read on a phone screen. Keep it simple. Then export the video in high quality and upload it as a YouTube short. That's it, guys. Now you have a fully polished video which is ready to be uploaded in any platform you want. If you want more AI content strategies like this, make sure you subscribe to the Spizro AI. And if you want the exact master prompt I used to create viral videos in this format, comment prompt below and I'll share it with you. And I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, don't forget to like this video and also watch other tutorials I've covered.
I am not your backup plan. You flip me once more, and I swear I snap. You open me every 5 minutes and still say there is nothing. I give you golden toast, and you still complain it's burnt. You press random buttons, then blame me for the beep. I am empty because you are late again. I remember every cut. Don't test me. I am not expired Agriday. You just have NO taste.